In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get Robux with Sweatcoin. First, you want to load up the Sweatcoin app and make sure you have a sufficient balance. Now, if you have enough Sweatcoins saved up, you will click on rewards found at the bottom right corner. And then here, you will go into the buy section. Once you click on buy, you will have different options for gift cards here. You have $5, $25, and $50. You want to choose the amount which you can purchase. $5 is going to cost you 5,000 Sweatcoin, $25 is going to cost you 15,000, and $50 is going to cost you 30,000 Sweatcoin. Here you will choose the amount and you will purchase either Apple Pay gift card or a Google Play gift card depending on your version of your phone. Once you get the gift card, you will need to redeem it into your account. You can do that by clicking on the App Store and clicking on your profile icon in the top right and then choosing redeem gift card or code. Here you can use your camera, or you can also enter your code manually by typing it right here and clicking on redeem. Once you redeem this to your profile, then you can load up Roblox, click on the Robux icon here, and you can choose whichever or however much you have a gift card for. So for example, if you have a $5 gift card, you will be able to purchase the lesser amount of Robux here, but make sure you choose the correct payment method. So if that is on your account, the gift card is on your account, it is going to let you use it right here once you click on it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.